Frustrated by the Htonline.dll DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. Before we get started with Htonline module, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Htonline module, frequently found in localized game launchers or specific online patches for legacy titles. It manages the heartbeat check and player authentication protocols for private game servers. Because it uses non-standard networking hooks, it is often flagged by antivirus software. If missing, the game will be restricted to offline mode or will fail to launch entirely. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since Htonline module DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized networking orchestration toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Htonline module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A quick warning, many sites offering Htonline module DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Htonline module. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Htonline module error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.